Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Haka senjam ka bakongsan ban kentiu ya ka jingpenrong ya ka digital haka puli puthi ka office jong deputy commissioner ka West Jaiñtia Hills district Jowai kalasam arspa atli ki kor computer shaki khat south li ki skul hapo ka West Jaiñtia Hills district ya kini ki kor computer bahap hapo ka pradhan mantri kanich kshetra kalyan yojna Skhim Labai tingka daka District Mineral Foundation balabu thong bansam shabaro ki school secondary but higher secondary school. Lasami ki kor computer shakinong mi khmat jang ki khat southly ki school da UMLA ka Jawai but u chairman ka MUDA uba wailat mi ki shilla ha ka jingelang kabala panya da uba GLC Milim u assistant commissioner ha conference hall ka office u DC ha ka arpau tarik u jiliu. Ki skul ki balayo padiang yagi kor computer ki long ka Sorkar Government High Secondary School ka balayo padiang khat nyo tali ka Government Boys High Secondary School Jowai arphulai tali ka kyang nongba Government High Secondary School Jowai arphundro tali kumjo ka Government Girls High Secondary School Jowai arphau tali labha ya ka Jowai Public School Jowai but Government Upper Primary School Mokayao but RMSA markhat lai tali kumjo ka Shangpung RMSA Secondary School Jowai, ka RMSA Secondary School, Government Senior Basic and RMSA Higher Secondary School Minso, but Nongtalang Government Secondary School Markhat Artali ki computer. Nalor kata, labharu ya ka Shken Persit Upper Primary SSA, but RMSA Secondary School, ka Mustem SSA Upper Primary, but RMSA Secondary School, Kabarato Government Upper Primary, but RMSA Secondary School, but Trangbalang Government Upper Primary and RMSA Secondary School, Marshipotli ki kor computer.
With the number of schools that we have identified so far, keeping the secondary school on the higher side and along with the primary schools. Let me tell you also that this is the first step with regard to the digital education that we are going to go ahead. The second step which will be is a certification course which will be provided to one teacher from every school from Microsoft, which would entail not only the digital education being imparted but also to instill that yes, with the upcoming of technology, the penetration has to be there and that all children must have access to the systems and the computers, and also to increase the enrollment in computer science, which is very limited in our district. So we are looking forward for the same. We have the entire list. MLA sir will be distributing the computers. After that, post the program, you can collect the number of computers that has been allocated to your particular school. With these few words, I would request sir to please have a few words. Thank you.
Now we'd like to go. Next, Lynba Government High Secondary School, Jowai Public School, then Nongtalang Government Secondary School.
Thank you.
I'd like to thank the chairman of today's program, Shri GL Milim, MCS Assistant Commissioner, West Jaiñtia District, our respected Deputy Commissioner of the district, Shri Abhinav Kumar Singh, who's under his able leadership that today we are having this program of distributing this computer set to different schools in our district. To all the headmaster, headmistress, principal of different schools in our district, I'd like to welcome you, and I hope that with this distribution of this computer set, it will greatly help in imparting quality education to the students. At the same time, I'd like to thank our Deputy Commissioner because he just recently joined in our district. Then after that, we had a series of meetings discussing how we can really help, especially in education department. So one of the things we discuss is the digital in how we can improve, especially in terms of this technology, because as we know that we are living in a digital age where we have to go hand in hand, especially with the coming of AI. We all know that artificial intelligence has taken over the world, and very soon in the coming days the AI will take almost 50% of the employment. So it's very much important that should have our student should be equipped with the modern technology. So I am very confident that with this with the distribution of this computer, it will greatly help the different schools in our district. And at the same time, please always feel free to share your problems, especially we know just we were discussing for the same thing. There were many schools that even today they don't have electric connection. How we gonna give you computer if you don't have electric connection? So that's why it's very important. So I will urge upon all the principal and headmistress present here today to please feel free to share your problems, if any. We'll really very happy to assist you in any way possible. So with these few words, once again, as you can see that we have tried to manage some fund, especially today from the Pradhan Mantra Khanij Kshetra Kalyan Yojana, where in other words we know it as a DMF fund. So in the future also, not only the computer, even we are discussing with our Deputy Commissioner, we have the panel also where we'll be distributing, where will really help you in especially with your different presentation to the students. So